Good morning, student. This is your physics class. Today we will start the chapter number 4, that is the energy. Please open the page number 48. Today I will discuss the topic energy and simple machines. Energy. In physics, work is said to be done when an object moves or gets displaced due to the force exerted on it. For example, if you run from point A to point B, what you will done, work is done by you. So what is the energy? Energy is the ability to do work. For example, if we run for a long time, what will happen? We will get tired and feel that we don't have the energy to do something more. This is because running is work and our body uses energy to do the work. So what is there? Work and energy are related to each other. That's mean interrelated. Energy is needed to do the work. So energy equal to work done. More energy means capability to do more work. So next topic, simple machines. So what do you know about the simple machine? So in our daily life we are using many simple machines as well as complex machines. So at home we are using the many appliances like simple machine. In simple machines, spoon, screw, knife, pillar, and in complex machine there are some example like bicycle, swing machine, washing machine. So these are the examples of complex machine. What is a simple machine? Machines helps us to do work. A simple machine is a tool that makes our work easier. It helps us to do the same amount of work with much less effort than when done manually. For example, a pillar makes it easier to peel the potatoes, and so pillar is a simple machine. When spoon is used to lift an object, spoon acts as a simple machine. Examples of some tools that are used as simple machine to make everyday activity easier, like spoon to lift an object, screw to hold things together, knife, pillar to push things apart, pulley, lever to lift them and move things, bottle opener to open the lid of a bottle, doorknob to open the door. So these all tools are called the simple machine, as most of them have none or one moving part. Other machines like sewing machine, bicycle, wheelbarrow, lawn mower, etc. have many moving parts and are made up of two or more simple machines. They are called the complex machine. A simple machine makes the work easier by changing the direction of force applied or by multiplying the amount of force applied. The factor by which a machine multiplies the force applied is called the mechanical advantage. So let's see how a simple machine used with an activity to demonstrate the use of a simple machine. Try to lift a heavy box directly. So it is very hard to lift a heavy box directly. Now we use a lever. Lever is a simple machine. To lift the heavy box, lever can made by a long stick and a stone as shown in figure. Long stick is pushed under the edge of a heavy box and the other end of the stick is rested on a stone. This forms a lever that changes the direction of force and uses gravity to reduce the force applied. So what we will conclude? The conclusion is that simple machines work on the principle of reducing the effort. Effort means we are applying the less force over there, or the force applied to do the specific work. Which work is done by us? So that means simple machine makes our work easier. We can show with an activity. Thanks a lot. Read up to here topic. Thanks.